In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a shiny gold text effect using Adobe Photoshop. So staying with us to learn this awesome tutorial. At first start, the following assets were used during the production of this tutorial. Dark background.jpg, pieces of 8, font family, tileable, metal, textures.jpg. Open the Adobe Photoshop. Here, I have used the Adobe Photoshop CS6. You can use it, or another like Adobe Photoshop CC. Open the background image, dark background.jpg. Open image size, which is 600 pixel width into 400 pixel height. Now, choose the type tool and change font to pieces of 8. Font color is white. Write text gold. Font size should be around 280 points for letter G and around 350 points for the rest of letters. Now, go to Menu, Layer Style, Blending Options. Select Drop Shadow. Blend Mode, Normal. Color, FCF 5cc. Angle, -85 degree. Distance, 3 pixel. Spread, 0%. Size, 7 pixel. Select Inner Shadow. Blend Mode, Normal. Color, 514820. Opacity, 100%. Angle, 120 degree. Distance, 0 pixel. Choke, 50%. Size, 2 pixel. Select Outer Glow. Outer Glow color, FFFFAD. Others remain same as the window. Select Inner Glow. Blend Mode, Multiply. Opacity, 34%. Inner Glow color, 0A0100. Source, Center. Choke, 52%. Size, 10 pixel. Select Bevel and Emboss. Style, Inner Bevel. Depth, 134%. Size, 250 pixel. Glass contour, in the Couture Editor, input and output are according to the values. Highlight mode color, white. Highlight mode opacity, 72%. Shadow mode color, 171718. Shadow mode opacity, 27%. Select Contour. Select Contour Style. Range, 59%. Checked, Anti-Aliased. Select Texture. Use the Stripes pattern. Scale, 50%. Depth, +10%. Select Satin. Blend Mode color, white. Opacity, 32%. Distance, 16 pixel. Size, 24 pixel. Select Color Overlay. Color, BBA428. Select Gradient Overlay. Blend Mode, Color Burn. Opacity, 9%. Gradient will be set as the image, according to location. Select Pattern Overlay. Use the 6th pattern from Metallic Patterns. Now, click OK. Now, duplicate our gold text layer, so the duplicated layer will be above the original one. This is our gold duplicate layer that will be used to create gold outline effect. First, we clear the previous style on this duplicated layer by going to Menu, Layer, Layer Style, Clear Layer Style. Now, we would like to outline effect for the gold text. So, going to Menu, Layer, Layer Style, Blending Options. Make sure that fill opacity is 0%. Select Drop Shadow. Blend Mode Color 0F0902. Angle 90 degree. Distance 4 pixel. Spread 100%. Size 4 pixel. Select Inner Shadow. Blend Mode Color FFFFBB. Opacity 39%. Angle 70 degree. Distance 3 pixel. Choke 0%. Size 0 pixel. Select Inner Glow. Blend Mode Color Dodge. Opacity 67%. Blend Mode Color White. Source Edge. Choke 66%. Size 5 pixel. Select Bevel and Emboss. Style Stroke Emboss. Technique Smooth. Depth 1000%. Direction Down. Size 2 pixel. Gloss Contour Linear Contour from the first item. Highlight Mode Color Wide. Shadow Mode Linear Burn. Shadow Mode Color 171718. Select Contour. Contour from the item. Range 59%. Select Satin. Blend Mode Color Dodge. Blend Mode Color Wide. Opacity 36%. Angle 19 degree. Distance 31 pixel. Size 38 pixel. Select Contour from the items. Select Stroke. Size 3 pixel. Position Outside. Blend Mode Normal. Opacity 100%. Fill Type Gradient. From the Gradient Editor, the colors will be like this. Now, click OK. We have done to create gold text effect. Now, time to create it more realistic by placing spark on the text. Off all of the layers except background layer. Choose the ellipse tool and draw 4 circles. Make the circle 1, color is FFFF83. Circle 2, color is 9A761F. Circle 3, color is white. Circle 4, color is white. Make the 4 circles in different radius. Make 4 layers in a group and name it circle. Select the 4 circle layers and use vertical and horizontal centers alignment. Select the circle 1 layer and go Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and use the radius 15.8. Select the circle 2 layer and use the radius 3.8. Select the circle 3 layer and use the radius 1.4. Use 4 circles layer settings in Layers palette for layer style and opacity. Final step in creating lighting knot is to group all 4 circle layers and set the opacity of the circles folder to 60%. Make both text layers visible again and move the lighting knot on the edge of the text. Duplicate the whole circles folder for more dots and spread it through the whole text. Congratulations, you have done to create a shiny gold old world text effect using Adobe Photoshop. Now you can save the style as an image using File, Save for Web, and select the image extension, whatever you want. This type of text effect is useful for the graphics designer. It is a short tutorial for the beginners. So, you apply different options, can be more realistic.